Assalamu alaikum class. Today we will discuss the topic of sets taken from chapter 1 of your maths textbook. In this video I will be explaining the definition of set. Look at the stuff in your school bag. You find a color box, a geometry box, pouch of paint brushes, and a packet of poster colors in case you have an art period today. All these are sets. Why? Because if you are given a compass and a yellow color pencil, you exactly know that the yellow color pencil belongs to a color box and a compass belongs to a geometry box. Color box is a term well defined, exactly tells that color pencils are its elements. Similarly, geometry box is a term well defined, exactly tells that compass is its member or element. Hence, color box and geometry box are sets because terms are well defined. Do you think that any collection can be termed as set? For example, collection of beautiful birds. I like hen, ostrich and peacock. You may collect birds of your choice. The two collections are entirely different because term beautiful birds is not clear, not well defined. Consider some other collections. Is it so that any sort of a collection is a set in mathematical sense? For example, things in the kitchen. Stuff filled in a drawer. Are these stuff related to one another? No, these collections cannot be termed as set because the elements are not related, and in case of a set, the elements should be related to one another. Consider few examples of collections. Students of class 6 of your school. It is well defined because students of class 6 of your school can only belong to it. Each student has a unique identity, thus it's a set. The collection of favorite books. The word is not well defined because some books may be favorite for you but may not be favorite for the other person. So, this collection cannot be termed as a set because the term is not clear. Names of days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It is well defined. We very well know the elements which belong to it, and each element is distinct, that is different from the other and unique. Let's recapitulate the topic. Set is a collection of things which are well defined. Name of the collection should clarify exactly what is to be collected. Elements of set are called its members. Elements of set are not repeating or distinct. That is, they are different from one another. Each element is unique. Last point, elements or members of a set are related. For example, if I take a toothbrush, a hairbrush and a paintbrush and I try to call them as a collection of brushes, this collection cannot be termed as a set in mathematical sense because the objects taken in it are not related to one another. So by now, we are ready to narrate the definition of set and comprehend it clearly. The definition of set is a collection of related distinct objects. A set is such a collection which is well defined. That is, the name of the collection clearly and specifically notifies its elements. Thank you, class. Here the lecture ends. Keep revising and keep learning.